Solid pronunciation will start a chain reaction that will get you to a fluency a lot faster, okay? And even if you aren't a beginner, like I said, it's not just about beginners here today. You may have a lot of gaps in your pronunciation, a lot of things that you're doing wrong possibly, and if you've never had proper pronunciation training before, it's still worth looking into, and you have bad habits that you might be able to fix.
So that is something I can attest to, because I did not get any proper pronunciation training at the beginning, and I'll talk about why in a second, but the fact is I didn't. So I had a lot of misconceptions about how pinyin was pronounced in many cases, and the specific examples, it's not that important, but the main thing is that I was able to fix the ingrained mistakes. It was annoying, but now I know how to say everything correctly. So if you're a beginner, get it right from the beginning so you don't have to go through that. But if you aren't a beginner, don't be discouraged. You can actually overcome that.